Oh, hey. Hey, what's going on? Anybody on the chat? What's up? No? A lonely one? Such a lonely day. And it's mine. Music we're playing. Royalty-free music. So I don't get sued. Check it out if you like it. No obligation to, though. Is the music too loud? Can you hear me? Can you hear what I'm saying? I'm turning it down just a little bit. There you go. Metal is best played softly. Said no one ever. Still trying to find the right balance. Plugged a mic in. I watched some of my YouTube videos and I decided the quality was crap. I had to find that out myself. So if you see other things that are crap, let me know. Alright. What are we working on today? On the 4th of July. Happy birthday, America. Yeah! Look at this. I said we were done modeling the sumo. Sumo wrestler ain't perfect, that's for sure, but we got a lot to do and not a lot of time to do it. I want to start smashing Rikishis together. But I don't think people want to see a bunch of cubes knocking into each other, so I think on this stream we'll just get some animations going. And I've been watching these YouTube videos to figure out how to do that. Dude, my computer would not boot up yesterday. I was so excited. Ran upstairs to turn it on to do the stream at 7 o'clock. I'm scheduled to stream 1 day a week on Tuesdays. 1 day a week. You'd think I'd be able to do that, but no. I powered it up and it said the installation could not be run. Oh, okay. Sounds good. So I reinstalled the operating system. We're back up and running. We're going to animate this guy. And I was doing a little pre-stream warm-up. And I wanted to make this pose. Sumo wrestler does this to show the crowd that he doesn't have any weapons. At least that's what it used to be for. Now it just looks cool. And I wanted to avoid learning a crap ton about animation. But whenever I made this guy's legs move out, he lost his belly. And a sumo wrestler without a belly, that's just a bad thing. So, trying to get down with the thickness here. This is an improvement over what it was. So let's try finishing out this pose. We're going to do this pose and this pose. You would recognize it. It's the stamping ritual. They raise their arm, they raise their leg up in the air, impressively so for a large person, and then they stamp it down, and they raise their other arm, raise their other leg, stamp it down, and then that's it. Watched a YouTube video of that, and it lasted from, what are these, seconds? Yeah, I did 0 point. I should have done colons. I did it over here. So it was from 9 seconds to 20 seconds. So it's a 10-second animation. And roughly at 20% of the animation, it's right arm. So this is my reference for building out that animation. So let's just start with a pose. We do want to get to these poses too. These guys are getting ready, staring at each other. And then before they start the match, they both have to touch their knuckles to the ground. And once both touch their knuckles to the ground, the match begins. I don't know how much of this I'm going to build into the game. It's actually pretty damn complicated. I don't really have time for that, but I don't want to piss Japanese people off. So, one of them liked my tweet today. At least I'm assuming they're Japanese, because all their name and all their tweets were in Japanese. So yeah, don't want to piss them off, but you know, you can't please everybody. All right, enough talking. More animating. All right, and I am a noob at weight painting, so should be good. His belly doesn't disappear. I do see like a little shift in there. It's easy to get caught up in the details, I think. Like I'm so far from needing the animations to be good. I just need passable animations. So let's quit worrying about. Oh, look at that knee go. There you go. Rotate that. Oh. Looks like he kind of rotates his legs inward just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. This probably needs to go down. He looks like a messed up chicken right now, but, you know, whatever. And then this. Let's see, what's the best way to rotate this thing? He has his feet. Oh, his calf is rotated, so let's rotate his calf. He's actually up on the balls of his feet. So that's pretty good. Oh! Flying sumo! Okay, enough of that. This leg looks like it's rotated enough. Just contort that knee. Wreck that knee. Wreck it. I'm gonna rotate outward. I kind of wish his donk didn't go away. Oh, it's still there. Yeah. There it is. I don't know. Before I figured out what weight painting was, his butt turned into a total mess. So maybe it's good I put those extra vertices in there. Foot goes up just a bit. Let's bring the whole thing down. GZ. If you think that I should do that thing on Blender where it shows what mouse buttons I'm pressing and what keys I'm clicking, let me know in the chat. Let me know on Twitter. Let me know in the YouTube comments. Let me know some way, and then I'll do that. I try not to do work that I don't need to do. So until somebody tells me they need that, I ain't gonna do it. All right. I needs a new window. Pose tools. I don't think I need that. Is that just a T? There you go. Let's make us an animation. Make a new action. So there are actually names. There are names for that pose. If you watch this YouTube video. Whoa! Grand Sumo, the beauty of tradition. You will learn more than you wanted to know. It's pretty intriguing stuff. My girlfriend is against me doing sumo. Don't ask me why. I'd totally be down. I think I could hang. I got a low center of gravity. I'm pretty chubby. Got a little bit of muscle. I like to drink beer. They drink a ton of beer. Can you imagine if your job was to drink beer? That'd be pretty sweet. All right. So for this here animation, we're going to animate the location and rotation of these bones. And I jumped the gun a little bit here. Why don't we just watch the source animation real quick? What does my boy do here?
Next, the two Rikishi begin the movements of the Sonkyo. In the
Okay, he does a squat with his arms at his side. From a standing position, he goes down there. Oh, Sonkyo. All right. How do I spell that? Sonkyo. Sonkyo. I probably shouldn't give them the Japanese names because I'm not going to remember. I should call this squatting butterfly. Then I would actually have a chance at remembering it. Though by the time I'm done working on this project, I will probably remember the terminology. So he does his squat, and his arms were at his side. So let us... Oh. There you go. Somebody knows of a way to symmetrically move arms? Let me know. Maybe that would look too robotic if I move them symmetrically. So that does not look natural. I gotta fix that. Move your arms forward just a bit. Put your hands on your knees. There you go. I do think he should rotate his legs in just a little bit more. Oh God, which one is his leg? There we go. Okay. Oh, I can hear fireworks outside. Awesome. It is actually storming by me, right? Or at least it was. Now I was hearing thunder. People were just waiting for that to end so that they could start popping off their own fireworks. So does he have a straight back or is he kind of arced? Oh yeah, he's arced a bit. He's not. Oh, dang it, YouTube. YouTube is like watching for the key presses on my numpad and changing. There we go. This is where he was. Let's move that spine just a little bit. This dude is ready to jack someone up. I love it. And his arms were like kind of in front of him, weren't they? Yeah, a little bit. He wasn't resting his hands on his knees. What did I move? I didn't move his shoulder. There you go. Oh. He should probably face his opponent. Little intimidation factor going on there. Don't mess with me. I'll put you on your ass. That was actually really good. I like that. Okay. So, I'm kicking myself right now because I should have made a keyframe at the start where he was just in his neutral standing pose. I did not do that. So, let's say that, I don't know, halfway through the animation he's in
order to become a full-fledged Rikishi.
in this pose. Oh, he slaps his hands twice?
Properly termed Rikishi Chosu. This involves clapping the hands once, extending them up and to
Oh,
the side,
once.
and flipping the palms downward. These motions are to show the opponent and spectators that the Rikishi is carrying no knife or any other weapon. It also indicates that he is prepared to fight fairly and honestly. In former times, when bouts were held outdoors in places without water, a Rikishi would rub a handful of weeds, chirigusa, to purify his hands. It was this practice that generated the expression chi.
Alright, well, with that super long narration, this is going to be difficult. He squats, he claps his hands together.
Position. This is a basic posture that each newcomer must master in order to become a full-fledged Rikishi.
Clap, clap,
Now, both fighters
hands up. Okay. So if my animation is 200 frames long, let me just write this down before I get confused. So we have stand, squat, clap, hands up, and then back to stand. All right. So, isn't there a way I can add like a marker? Anyway, the nice thing about Blender is that once I add this stuff, I can kind of shuffle things around. So it ends at 250. I'm going to end it at 200. I don't really know the rhyme or reason to the keyframes just yet, so bear with me. Squatting is about the first thing that he does, so let's put squatting at like 40 or 50. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so 50 if I divide my 200 up and I have squat, clap, hands up, stand. Okay. So I get to do something like insert keyframe here. Oh, select the armature maybe. Okay, all channels. No? I. Insert the damn keyframe. Why you no insert keyframe? Can I right click insert keyframe? Well, how the shit do you add a keyframe? My bad. I watched videos on this before, so here we go. Nope, I don't need closed caption. Thank you very much.
A different pose.
Okay.
See, it's once again glitching because of the weight painting errors. And now what we can do is we can press AA. Lock rot scale again. Now if we go.
Oh, whoa, so fast. Oh, whatever. I didn't press the key commands in the magic sequence that he did. Anyway, I'm not bitter about it. Oh, I put him at 100. Let's put them at 50. Which is about halfway there, right? Ooh. Nice. All right. I don't know if this is going to work, but there's a little thing here called clear transform. It might make him stand back up. Oh, great. I'm just going to save my work because I'm not skilled enough to recover once I make changes. Go. Awesome. And his standing is probably not with his arms raised like that. Oh, your arm, dude. Oh, it's messed up. What are you doing? What is you doing? Oh no, baby. There we go. Yep. The calm Rikishi. I instinctively want to call him a sumo, but it's spelled Rikishi, and in all the videos I've watched, it's pronounced Rikishi. So I'll probably be saying Rikishi when I mean sumo wrestler. Sorry for the crotch cam right there. That was not intended. So if I play, does he just pop a squat? Oh, he like instantly goes to the squat. Because I did not insert a keyframe. Instant squat! Shit. Pose. Clear transform. Oh, there you go, buddy. Let's remember to insert a keyframe this time when we get him back into his neutral. Nope, nope, nope. Not that. Not that. Not that, you son of a bitch. There we go. I think this one's a little bit more cool. I did the crotch cam again. My bad. AA. No. In here. AA. No. Maybe? There you go. AA. And then I. All in favor say I. Alright. Whoa. Oh, wait a minute. Did that look pretty good? His feet kind of go through the floor at about so in the middle. I'm gonna put his feet so that they don't go. Do I care? Do I care if his feet go through the floor at this point? I don't have a playable game. I don't have a playable game, so it's really not worth obsessing over these until I have found the fun. So you get cheapo animations for now, and you're just gonna have to deal with it. Sunglasses, deal with it. So now he's here, and then he raises. Look how proud this guy looks. I think he's a Yokozuna. I think he's the top. He's the tippy. He's the best. So his arms are like up, and his hands are like supine. They're down. Okay. Does his body move when he does that, or just his arms?
Properly turned balls of his feet, spreads his knees wide apart, lowers his hips, and assumes a stable upright position. This is a basic posture that each newcomer must master in order to become a full-fledged Rikishi.
Clapping. We got to do the clapping. At 100, he does a clap. I think he kind of reared back a little bit, didn't he? Just a bit. This is going to be right in between 50 and 100, so 75. He reared back. Okay. He rotated his arms out. Ooh, look how it like wrecks his arms, like twists his whole body. That's that weight painting. I'm not gonna sweat it right now. Is that about what I did on the other one? No, I did less. Cool. Ready to clap. Ready to clap. A, I. Bonk. He's like, okay, here we go. And then he probably, what's halfway between 75 and 100? Well, visually it's about 88. So that's what we're going to do. And we're going to do our collap. So first time I'm going to use his shoulder. I am really concerned that he is going to like contort with that weight painting. Boom. He's so strong. Hercules, Hercules. Got to move his clavicles in a little bit with the clap. That is not too bad. Probably want him to like lurch forward a little bit too, right? I don't know if I did that already, but boom. Oh, whoa, oh, Control Z, Control Z. There we go. A, I. There it is. And then I want him to go back to this position. And that should be easy. I should just be able to duplicate, unselect all, box select, box select. Box, there it is. Control C, Control V. Oh, shnikes. Control Z. Place it on the 100. There it is. So he's like, I'm standing. I pop my squat. It's really laggy. I do a clap. Oh, I should probably rotate his arms so that he doesn't break his thumbs. Right here, it's like, nope. You should actually have rotated your stuff, buddy. So, did I ever rotate his arms? We should probably be able to get away with just rotating his forearm and his hand. Oh! Don't do that. That's pretty good. Boom. Sonic boom. Is that saving? No, I hope it's saving. It's probably not. Damn it. Did not save. Seriously, record my changes. Oh, nope. I often imagine what it would be like being somebody who knows what they're doing and watching me. Boom. Okay. Oh, look at that. Wham. Okay. Move those over just a little bit. I want him to clap faster than he backs away from it. Boom. Pretty cool. That aspect probably needs to be just a little bit faster. There we go. Cool. And then what? Then he raises him?
In the Sonkyo, Rikishi squats on the balls of his feet, spreads his knees wide apart, lowers his hips, and assumes a stable upright position. This is a basic posture that each newcomer must master in order to become a full-fledged Rikishi. Now, both fighters perform the Chidi, properly termed the Chidi Chozu. This involves clapping the hands once.
Okay. Now it's ready to go to that other pose. Let's do our little Superman pose here, put our chest out. A little bit more. Oh, I'm touching his hand. Oops. Did I back him up? I did. I made him rear back just a little bit. Okay. And then the arms, they go up. Like straight up. Boom. And his hands are kind of towards the camera a little bit. Okay. Stop that. I don't know how I'm doing that, but it is not helping me. Beautiful. Beautiful. Awesome. I think they're a little bit forward though. Oh, this is totally cool. Boom. Yes. Okay, and then he does his power pose, and then what?
Extending them up.
I think the video just like ends.
These motions are to show the opponent and spectators that the Rikishi is carrying no knife or any other weapon. It also indicates that he is prepared to fight fairly and honestly. In former times, when bouts were held outdoors in places without water, a Rikishi would rub a handful of weeds, chirigusa, to purify his hands. It was this practice that generated the expression chiri okiru, performed the chiri.
He gets up, does his big, powerful sumo man walk, throws some salt like a baller. Look at that. It's the original Make It Rain. Sumo's been around for 1,000 years. And then he gets back up. If I just want my dude to get back up, I should just do the reverse of that, right? Uh-oh. I had more selected than I wanted selected. Oh, shit. There we go. What's the difference here? About 50? What's up, babe? Let's get to the next 50. We'll play with the timing. Right shoulder. You know, I wanted more than his shoulder to come with. Control C. Control V. Why is just his shoulder? Oh, I'm not. Okay. AA. Control Z. Control V. Uh-oh. That looks kind of strange. Why does he look to the left? Oh, his skull moved. So let's delete this keyframe. Whoa, that deleted a lot of stuff. That's not what I wanted. Just delete that. There you go. Now his head doesn't move a bunch. Do I really care if his arms go down at different times? Boom. No, I don't. It's good enough for me. Let me just look at that clap again. Alright. He just takes his sweet time getting up and getting down. So let's shift those over a bit. Boom. Yes. Where did his hand raising go? Oh. He starts getting up like way too soon. You're getting up way too early, dude. What are you doing? Your legs should be in the same place, my man. So let's take all of his legs. Nope. Okay. Oh, that like elongated his spine. Nope. Go back to where you were. All right. Pop a squat, do a clap, chill with my arms, and then no. You need to sit with your arms up there for a little while longer, buddy. His arms go up. Alright, his arm is not correct. What happened there? I messed up the rotation. This should be up like this. My dogs are being stupid. Jackie boy, what are you doing? And I kind of like rotated it back a bit. Probably from here. Nope. All right. Hopefully, since I'm using a mic, it won't pick up their noisiness. No, I want your stuff to stay. I want him to get. I feel like I screwed this up. Clap. Okay. Does the clap. Arms are up. Arms are up. You need to bring your arms back down, my friend. Puppies. I want him to get his arms up and then chill there for a minute. Well, no one's on the chat complaining about the dogs, so it's probably fine. What are you doing, Kahlua? Ruh-roh. That's not what I want. Yeah, these. I want these. Shit. Control Z. It's like it's copying the wrong things. I want him to keep his hands in the air for a while. So why is he sucking so much butts? Don't suck so many butts, guy. Nope. Stop selecting those. I only want these. Let's turn off record. I think record is fucking it up. Why does it select all of those? Fine, you can select all of them. I don't care. Oh, because I'm selecting the top, maybe? Oh. That's one of them. Jeez, it's all about those key commands with this program. Okay. Sonkyo. Is that one in the bag? So how many animation frames is that then? We ended at 127. Is there any rhyme or reason to that? Let's just end at 130. Sorry, I just sneezed into the mic. Okay. He squats, he claps, he puts his arms up, then he gets back up. Awesome. End time. 1:29. Beauteous. Let's end at 1:30. Okay. File. Save as. Number 8. Sunkyo. Did that save? What time is it? 10:05. All right. Drop this in whatchamacallit? Blender. How do I spell dohyo? Dohyo. Dohyo. Flatten the butts out of this thing. Yoink. Is that the collider? Has a capsule collider? No. Not needed currently. There we go. Are you at the origin? It is now. Put one. So it's 1 meter around. A dohyo is 4.5 meters. Okay. Beauteous. Oh, dohyo is actually made out of like clay, I think. Let's just call it dohyo material. Can I rename it? No? Oh, there it is. Dirt. It's gonna be dirt. Brown is like that. Does that look too yellow? Even you ain't yellow. I'd rather it not be smooth. Metal dirt. No, not metal dirt. Turn wireframe off. That's not helping me. Cool. Redneck Doyo. Dohyo. Dohyo. Got our models. We're gonna want a prefab probably. Okay. No, I don't want a prefab folder here. Let me rename this. Get my pluralization right. Prefabs. Whoa, he's huge. He's huge. Scale him down to about a third. Apply. Perfect. Let's give him another material. Let's call it blue. That looks purple AF. Presets. It still looks purple. I don't want like this deep saturation. Unity, do you have like a better way to pick? There you go. Guess it's always gonna look purple. There you go, that looks better. Light blue. Make another one. Red. I'm just gonna put together a little demo scene, and then I'll go deploy that to itch, and then that'll be the first first touchable, feelable thing that people can get their hands on. Also going to push the code to GitHub too, so you can download it and play around with it. Make a PR if you're feeling ambitious. Pull request. Saturation, saturation. There it is. Red, like not too red. All right, this is you. You're the blue sumo, or Rikishi. Why did the WWE ever name a Samoan wrestler Rikishi? Come on. No taste. No taste at all. Alright. There's my dude with his feet going through the ground. Get up just a bit, my friend. So is that a good proportion for the ring?
The salt is also known as Kiyomi no Shio, the salt of purification. Snap, get rid of unsightly things, that is, evil spirits.
They're pretty big in that ring, actually. I thought maybe the ring was too big, but this looks pretty good. There's you. Let's duplicate him. Put him over here. Rotate him 90 degrees. Shaboom. Oh, 180 degrees. Shaboom. Give him a red. Kabonk. No. No, don't want it. Okay. So our Rikishis have an animator component. Make a folder. Animation. Create new animator controller. Rikishi animator controller. Actually, I think it gets the controller is in the name, so let's not have a redundant name. Rikishi animator controller. Okay. If I add this to a guy. No? All right. So where are my animation clips, huh? I hit F. That saves it. Should be the default take in Unity, right? If I click a... Oh. All right. That's a good sign. There's our animation. Sonkyo. Boom. All right. So I got clips. Can I add a new animation? I don't remember how to do this. Create new clip. Sonkyo. Rikishi. Sonkyo. Why can't you find it? My guy's already got clips, dude. I seen them. I seen them. They're right there. Import animation. Yes. Okay. Multiple animations in Blender import into Unity. Okay, there they are. How do you use them? Add an animator controller. Oh, it's right there.
And what I'm going to do here is create an animation controller. And we're going to call this door AC. We'll double click on that and we'll add the sliding door to the default state.
Oh, you drag it.
Grab the door and drag the door animation controller up
Derp.
to the animator controller in the inspector window. If we click on play now, you'll see the door.
Alright. That was the critical step that I was missing. Delete this because that's not a thing. Are you sure you want to delete this asset? Yes. Okay. No reference. For what? I didn't even write any code yet. Get out of here, Unity. You're drunk. Okay, let's rename this to player. And rename this to enemy. Alright, sorry. I got carried away. Can I tell this thing to loop? Loop, loop da loop, loop da loop. Anyway, if I hit play mode, does this dude do his little thing? Ooh. Good stuff. Wow, that red guy looks a lot bigger than you. Is that an illusion or something? I think they're the same size. Yeah, I think they're the same size. Huh. Game on. object. Let's select the camera. New object, align with view. Kabonk. There we go. Yusa. You have the Rikishi animator. Or Rikishi animator. Excuse me. You can't loop it? Play it at half speed. Ooh. Boom. It's kind of neat. I think I want to add like a little more coming soon component. So let's add a UI canvas. I think I got some code laying around here from one of my other projects. Wow, Mac OS search is not a friend to me. Screen fader, screen fader, screen fader. Prototype. There's really nothing in that file. I have an empty file. That's impressive. Game scene, tutorial scene. I'll just open the dang project. Save it. Screen overlay. Is this something I wrote? Nope. What did I call that stupid thing? Not there. Maybe it's in the tutorial scene I started. Screen fader. Okay, that's the screen fader. Is that file gonna open? Okay. Gross. Fade color in front from clear from back. Alright. Let's just start with this. Create an image that covers the entire screen. I'm just going to have the sumos do their little bow, and then I'm going to fade in. More to come. Don't get your Mawashi in a wedgie. Don't get your what's it called? Your underwear all bent out of shape or something? I don't know what the phrase is. Isn't there a phrase that's like, oh, don't get your panties in a bunch? Oh, no, I'm asking you, babe. I don't think I have anybody chatting. No, no one on the chat. Well, I hope I turned the mic on. What? Because of what they wear. The sumo wrestlers. Don't say diapers. Don't say... No. It's called a mawashi. It's offensive to call it a diaper. Let's add UI image. Fade to black. Good song. Add a script. Yeah, I am almost done. Is it gonna open it up? Unity, you used to be able to open scripts for me, but now you suck. Alright. That's like 80s music. I don't want to listen to that right now. 80s music is great, but I'm not in the mood for 80s music. Okay. Don't need that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I want that. Okay, so if I give this thing an image and a color, it will fade. It will fade it in. So let's do public void start. And then seconds till full fade. Both of these used. There you go. Why are you sucking? Oh, I didn't do a rename, so I gotta Can't go around changing variables without making sure you update all their usages. Okay, so at the start, it's gonna go. This doesn't look like it waits at all. Oh, it just describes how long it's going to take. Okay, let's give me another one. IEnumerable, ADOR. Wait, then fade to black. Float seconds to wait. How does that work again? Wait seconds? Unity wait seconds. Unity scripting wait seconds. You'll return new wait for seconds. After that, start this next coroutine. Okay. Let's test this out. Let's put the start from 0 to 0 and go 1 to 1. Cover the entire canvas. Go. Cover the entire canvas. Let's go black. Blacker than the blackest black. Okay, not all the way black, but mostly black. Okay, let's add a text too. What is it called? A mawashi? Yep. Center alignment. Color. Mostly white. Puts it in the center. Give it more of a height, more like. There you go. More to come. Don't get your mawashi in a bunch. Isn't there like an easier way to do this? Ooh, it has window snapping. That's nice. Let's just call it exit text. Okay. Let's create a game controller object. And give it our fade to black script. Come on. After this, I would say turn on the more to come thing. Public text or to come text. Screen fader image. Gonna want to keep that handy. Where'd it go? I don't know. Sometimes the UI system does that where it just hides your stuff. It's a little concerning, but whatever. I added the text. Did I not save? Oh, it blew up because I renamed this thing again. Right click rename. Right click rename. Stop forgetting that. Do build. Okay. Let's add the image. See if I can just rename it here. Did that break it? No. Okay, I kept it. More to come text. Let's use the exit text. Seconds to fill. I don't know. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Who knows? Fade color. No. A little bit of a softer. Blah 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 blah. There you go. But let's start it off as transparent. And let's start this off as enabled. Then how do I do a set enabled in Unity? Unity set enabled. Activating game object. Set active false. More to come text dot set active. Oh, I can't do that? That's strange. Maybe it's enabled. True. All right, we got our muffin tops adjusted. We got our ceremonial bow animated, and hopefully a little coming soon message shows up after 5 seconds. Ooh. Clap. And it never happened. Why didn't it happen? Consular? Why do you suck? You're supposed to wait and then start the next thing. Oh, because I didn't kick it off. So, start coroutine. Wait, then fade to black. Oh, how many seconds to wait? seconds till full fade. Is this being used anywhere? Find references. Nope. Seconds until fade starts. Okay. Let it beach ball and load and compile a little bit. Wait. 8 seconds. Boom. Oh, instantly. Instantly the screen comes up and then the thing does not get set to be active. Huh. I don't know why that's not working. I'll fix that. I'll fix that after I stop streaming right now. And then I'll post that to itch. And then you can see it on itch. The fixing the code is not going to be very interesting. So, all right, y'all. See you next time. Keep the muffin tops popping. Later.